Hello, welcome back to 10th class English. The name of the prose is A Letter to God. Now let's have word dealing and sentence making. Look at your book. The first word is instructed. Is ओडिया मीनिंग इज निर्देशित और if we are given any order or hints we are called instructed. So let's make a sentence using the word instructed. In the examination hall, students are instructed not to follow any unfair means. Could understand? In the examination hall, we write the answer as per instructed. Right? Next word is conscience. Next word is conscience. Its English meaning is inner sense of judgment. That is inner sense of judgment of what is right and what is wrong. That is called conscience. Man is the only creature. This is the sentence. What did I say? Man is the only creature who possesses a conscience. Birds and animals have no conscience because they could not differentiate between what is good and what is bad. Could understand? So birds and animals have no conscience. Next phrase is an ox of a man. Its English meaning is very hard working like an ox. You know, ox is an animal and it is a hard working animal. Lencho was a farmer and he was also hard working. So Lencho is compared to ox, or Lencho's hard work is compared to an ox's hard work. So it is said that Lencho was an ox of a man. Now let's have a sentence. Every student should be an ox of. Every student should be an ox of study. Should be hard working. Could you understand? Now let's move to the next word. What is the next word? Peso. Peso is a currency. Each and every country has its own currency. Like India has its currency, like what? Rupee. Similarly, peso is a currency of some Latin American countries. The sentence is peso is a currency of some Latin American countries. Next, so. Its Oriya meaning is Guniba. Okay, manji potiba. In rainy season, during farming season, farmers sow seed to grow crop. Next word is until. It is made up two words. Not till. Not plus till is equal to until. Could you understand? Its Odia meaning is ଯେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ନୁହଁ. Could understand? You don't leave this place. This is the sentence. You don't leave this place until you finish the work. Next word is still. Its English meaning till now. Oriya meaning a baby. Could understand? What is your name?
Rudra.
Rudra. Rudra is a 10th class student. Still, he behaves like a child. Rudra is a 10th class student. Still, he behaves like a child. Behaves like a baby. Next word is troubled. Its Oriya meaning is mentally disturbed or English meaning is mentally disturbed, but Oriya meaning is ମାନସିକ ଭାବରେ ବିଚଳିତ. So failed in the examination. Rama was mentally disturbed. Could understand? Next one is placed. Its English meaning is put. Oriya rakhila, thoila. So after reading, I placed my book on the table. Could understand? Next word is dropped. Dropped. Its meaning is pakaila. I dropped my pen somewhere in the school. Could understand? Next question. Who did he write a letter?
He wrote a letter to God.
He wrote a letter to God. Who wrote a letter to God?
Lencho.
Lencho wrote a letter to God. So, for now, this is enough. We will have more in our next session. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.